Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. Let me be the first to congratulate you on becoming a WebStarts affiliate. In this short video, I'll be walking you through some of the tools, training, and information that you can find in the Affiliate Center that will help you be the most successful affiliate that you can be. WebStarts is the perfect product to promote on the web because so many people are already looking for an easy way to create their very own website, online store, and/or blog. To get started with the WebStarts affiliate program, visit affiliate.webstarts.com in your browser. Next, click the affiliate login button and enter your affiliate username and password. Click login and you'll be able to access the Affiliate Center. In the Affiliate Center, you'll be able to find important information like, for example, your unique affiliate URL. Use this URL to be sure to get credit when somebody signs up for WebStarts and/or upgrades their WebStarts account. To help you get started, we've included a Share Your Link button that lets you send an email to your friends or post a message with your affiliate link on your Facebook wall. You can alter the contacts who you would like to send the message to, as well as the message itself. You can find commission reporting in the section labeled Commissions. You can find your traffic reporting in the section labeled Traffic. And then finally, you can view your sales by date in the Sales Report area. Under the Settings tab, you'll find things like your username, a place to change and update your password. Under the Training section, you'll find some training about how to get the best results from the WebStarts affiliate program by sharing your affiliate link in various places, as well as some of the keywords that you can sponsor on search engines like Google. And then lastly, at the bottom, you'll see some of the projections about the different amounts of money you'll make depending on how many people you refer to WebStarts. Under the Tools section, you'll find different advertisements in different formats. For example, text links, text ads, email creatives, banners, and more. Under FAQs, you'll find answers to frequently asked questions, including your commission schedule. And then lastly, under the Contact link, you'll be able to reach out and contact us with any questions that you have about the affiliate program. Hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to send us an email to support@webstarts.com if you have further questions concerning the affiliate program.